In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in WordPress. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the creating pages quickly and easily. Let's start this journey in the WordPress dashboard. Assuming you're already logged in, navigate straight to the dashboard. You'll see various features there, but today we're focusing on working with pages. On the left-hand menu, find and click on the Pages option. This will bring you to a section where you can see all the pages you've already created. It's your central hub for managing pages, and it's where you'll both fine-tune existing content and add new ones. Next, on the top of the Pages screen, you'll notice a button that says Add New. Go ahead and click this to start the process of creating a new page. This is where the fun begins, as you start shaping what your website visitors will see. Once you enter the Add New Page section, you'll need to give your new page a name. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for both your content and how visitors will navigate your site. Try to be descriptive and clear with the name you choose because it will be visible to your site visitors. After naming your page, take a moment to explore the content editor interface. This is where you can name the layout, text, images, and any other elements you want your visitors to interact with. WordPress offers rich text formatting and a range of block options to make your content compelling. Now that your page is set up, the next step is to make it publicly available by clicking on the Publish button. You'll see this option on the right side of the screen. As you click Publish, WordPress will make your page live, meaning it's accessible to anyone who visits your site. Finally, after publishing, you can ensure everything looks just right by selecting View Page. Once clicked, it takes you directly to your newly created page, just as your visitors will see it. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new page to your WordPress site. Remember, creating pages is just the beginning. With WordPress, you have the endless opportunity to customize and optimize your pages as your site grows. Be sure to regularly revisit your pages to keep content fresh and relevant. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your new WordPress pages. Don't hesitate to revisit any section or practice these steps to become even more comfortable with the platform. Thank you for watching, and happy page creating.